Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add and remove elements from a set. I'm declaring a set here and I'm initializing it to 1, 2, and 3. So there are 3 elements here being assigned to this set, and the name of my set is my set. So in order to add one element to this set, I'm having the name of my set, then the add function, and in parentheses I type down the value that I want to be added to this set. So let me comment the rest of the code first, and afterwards we're going to investigate those as well. So now I added one element to my set, and this value 4 is added to the set, so the set is updated, and now I'm printing the message after adding 4. Then I'm printing my set. So when I run the code, I see this in the output. After adding 4, this message, and then the set is being printed. Now the set BC has 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Previously, it had only 3 elements. So we learned that we can add elements or values to our set. So now we're going to discuss how to remove elements from a set. So our set is now having these 4 elements, and I would like to remove element 2. So number 2, I want to eliminate it from my set. I type down my set dot remove, and then I type down number 2, and then I'm printing the message saying that after removing 2 and printing out my set. So after removing 2, when we compare this set with the last version of the set, the previous version of the set, let's say, we see that number 2 is being removed here. One thing to mention here is that if the set does not have one element, and I type down the wrong element here, so I'm typing down to remove number 5, but there is no number 5 here. So it is going to give us an error. So it's a very good thing to know that if you type down the wrong number, you're going to receive an error from the compiler. There is another way to remove elements in a set. So in order to remove elements in another way from a set, we can type down the name of our set, then use the discard function, and then in the parentheses I'm going to type down the value or the number that I want to be removed. Then I'm showing the message after discarding 4, and then I'm printing my set here. So when I have this function discard being run, we see that after discarding 4, this message, and we're printing our set. So the previous version was containing 1, 3, and 4. So we discarded number 4 and we see only 1 and 3. So there are only 2 elements left now in the set. And one thing to mention here is that if we type down the wrong element number here in parentheses when using discard function, and when I run, it shows no error to me. So it runs, but it does nothing. Okay, so this is very important to know that. So in this video, we learned how to add or remove elements from a set. And also we learned if we are using the remove function, if we type down the wrong number in parentheses to be removed from the set, and that number is not existing in our set, it is going to return an error. We learned that we can do the same thing with discard function. We can remove elements with the discard function, but the difference is that if we are going to type down the wrong number that does not exist in our set, it is not going to return any error message for us in the terminal, so we are not able to trace it easily if we are typing down the wrong number. So this was it. In the next videos, we are going to dive deeper into the set concepts. Thank you for watching.